It's our neighbor. Hey.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Oh, pretty good.
Gonna
What
go.
are you going to get?
Project car.
Cool. What is it?
240.
Nice.
Yeah. Hopefully we could drift it with the Miata.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. You guys can probably already see in the video, it's a 240. It got a V8 motor in it from like a Q something, Q60.
It's a VH45.
This way.
The car is a very good looking car. It looks well done. It looks like it's a track car, but he's got all the parts for it. So we're gonna go check this thing out and get Wrenchy Garage back and running.
Alright guys, so this is it loaded on a trailer. Got brand new wheels and tires. Jam packed with goodies on the inside. This is it. We're at a local gas station. This is it right now. Do a little quick tour for you guys. We got the full dash. Not assembled, but it's in here. I don't know if we could peek under here, but we don't got an SR or a K, but something different for you guys. We got a brand new fiberglass hood for you guys. All the goodies here. Harness, crackless dash, bumper and everything. So hopefully it looks good. Alright guys, we're heading back. And oh my god, this looks like a scene from the scary movies, bro. It's so damn dark on these roads. We 10 and 2 right now. Golly.
Yeah, I ain't trying to flip this.
Golly.
Got traffic backed up behind us for a mall. They can wait, dude.
They go wait. We're getting home safe and sound, hopefully.
I'm not flipping this movie, bro. I just bought it.
Alright guys, so we got the car in, we got the key, everything's all locked and loaded. Just gonna wait till tomorrow to give you guys a more in-depth look over the car. So, yeah, it's gonna be it. It's gonna be
See
it.
you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Alright guys, day 3 on the 240 build, and today we plan on putting in a transmission. I don't know how that's gonna go, but hopefully it goes in. That's the plan.
Basically, we're just trying to figure out which clutch we're going to be using. So we got 2 boxes of clutch parts. We have one brand new one with the new pressure plate, but we are missing a flywheel. But we do have the old one with the flywheel, with the old clutch disc and the old pressure plate that actually fit. But they're going to have to get resurfaced, so we have to make that choice and see what we're going to do. I kind of want to just get a new flywheel and just use all new clutch components, but then this one looks This one looks like it has a lightweight flywheel, so it'll give us the engine to rev up a little higher, or quicker, as I should say, than a regular big original flywheel. So we're gonna call up our local clutch repair shop and see if they can fix this up for us today, and we'll be able to install it. So we're heading to Tennessee Clutch Supply to get all the old stuff resurfaced. Definitely would recommend this place. They're probably the best place to do clutch things. So they're still open even though this pandemic is going on, which is a good thing for us. So we're gonna get this thing resurfaced and try and slap it in today and trying to get this transmission on today.
Look what we found. Pulling up at our local O'Reilly's. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Alright, so I had to go get me a clutch spring retainer. I'll show you guys what that is right now. So, I don't know if you can see that. That spring sitting right there, that's what actually holds the clutch fork inside the transmission. I couldn't find mine, so I went to the Nissan dealer and they didn't have it, so I had to go all the way to the Infiniti dealer to get it. So we got that. We got our new clutch and flywheel resurfaced. I'll show you guys that here too. All that brand new. He even gave me bolts for my pressure plate, so definitely go check out Tennessee Clutch and Supply. They are great people. Awesome place, very old school style place, but they do good work, and I always take my stuff to them to get my clutch stuff done. So what we're gonna do now is see what else we need before we start putting this transmission together. I still gotta find my flywheel bolts, and there's supposed to be a throwout bearing spacer that I need. I don't know if I have that right now, but I called Max Motorsports, I think is what it's called. I called them and they're supposed to be putting it up on the website here soon, so I'm gonna check that out. If I do have that spacer, which I think I do, I'll start putting the clutch and flywheel and all that together and start installing it in the car so we can get ready to go. Alright guys, so we couldn't find our flywheel bolts, and I'm pretty sure AutoZone and all the other stores don't have them in stock. So what we're gonna do is actually order ARP ones. Along with ordering the ARP flywheel bolts, we're also gonna order a starter spacer. So with this type of swap, if you're using a Z32 transmission, you actually need a starter spacer. If you're using a twin turbo transmission, you do not need the spacer, but if you're using a non-turbo transmission, you need the spacer. So in this case, we're using a non-turbo transmission. How you can tell is you measure where the starter goes. I can show you here. So right here, you measure from here to here. If it's half an inch, then it's a non-turbo. If it's 3/8, I'm pretty sure it's 3/8 from here to here, then it's a turbo transmission. So we actually have a non-turbo transmission, as I said before. So we're going to get a starter spacer. I'm pretty sure you use the VG starter in this application. So we're gonna get that ordered, have that on the way. What I'm gonna do for the meantime is just plug up this harness as best as I can. Maybe hang this other fender just to see how this car would look with another fender on it. I might actually take the carbon fiber hood and lay it on the car just to see how good it looks. So I'm probably gonna do that right now. So we still got all this harness here. This is the OEM harness, body harness for this car. I don't know if I need to go through all of it. I might look through all of it just to see like what I can save, but we're just gonna wait on that. Got the carpet there, got the hood sitting here, so all carbon fiber is very light. We're gonna slap that on there and see how it looks.